Let's learn about positions. Near, near.
The bear is near the tree.
Hello.
Near. Between. Between. The cat is between the toys. Between. Inside. Inside. The fish is inside the tank. Inside.
Inside.
Inside. The dog is inside the doghouse. Inside.
In front. In front.
The girl is in front of the mirror.
In front. On.
On. The cat is on the chair. On. Under. Under. The cat is under the chair. Under.
Behind.
Behind. The dog is behind the couch. Behind.
Outside. Outside.
The kids are playing outside. Outside.
Around. Around. The yarn is around the cat. Around. 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 The fish swim around the child. Around.
Far. Far. The school is far from the zoo. Far. Great job! You learned about positions.
Yeah!
See you next time.